Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nakin. Today I'm going to show you how you can download all your favorite games on your Android device without buying the ammos. You also get unlimited cash to buy all the things that you have to buy to make the game enjoyable. So let's start. So first of all, you go to your Chrome browser. When the Chrome browser is open, you search for APK Modi. Yeah, the first site that will come, apkmodi.io. You click on it. So these are the games. So they the site where you can download all your favorite games. You can see we have Minecraft here, Time of the Dead, Nitro for those who like racing games. All games. If you don't have your game listed to, you can search for the game. Let's say I want Subway Surfers. So we have different types of the Subway game. So you select the one that you want, just click on it. I've selected the first one. You said APK plus mob. It has been modified, so you get unlimited money here. Get unlimited money for free. You can see the price. The price is for free without paying anything. So you just download. Alright, so it will bring you to the next page that you select the version of Subway Surface that you want to download. So I will click on the version 3, click on the first one. So here they will bring you a downloaded link for you to download. So your link is almost ready. Yeah, it's now ready. So download. Yeah, so choose where you want to download. So you select the location where you want to put your file. If you want to download it straight to the downloads folder, go to next download. Then yeah, download anyway. Then you click on it, you download. So let's say my favorite one of them is Killer Bean. So the same procedure, I will search for Killer Bean. So once, alright, so the same procedure, I'll download. You can see this one too, the price is free. Then modify features has been unlocked. So I'll download the latest version, that's version 5.07. So once download is finished, you go to your downloads folder. There's it. You click on it for you, then you install it straight onto your mobile device. Okay, I already have it installed, so let's go and open it and let me show you how you get the free ammos from their store. We know their weapons are for sale, but we don't want that. We just go to play our level, then from the store we watch a short video to activate the weapons. So let's do that. Alright, so here is the store. Just select the weapon, then watch a small video, free video to activate it. So let me open some few of them. Alright, so let's go. Okay, so looking at the ammos, you can see that we now have different types of the ammos. So we are good to go.